Welcome back to 5 Minute English Talk, the show where we help you speak real life, everyday English in just 5 minutes a day.
Whether you're at work, traveling, meeting new people, or just chatting with friends, we're here to give you the exact words and phrases you can use so you sound clear, confident, and natural in any situation. I'm Jane.
And I'm Bruce. Today we're focusing on a small word with a big impact sorry. Now, sorry is one of the first words English learners pick up. But here's the thing native speakers use it in many ways. Sometimes it's for small mistakes, sometimes for big ones, and sometimes just to be polite.
Exactly. Let's look at a few situations. For small mistakes, oops, sorry, I stepped on your foot. Sorry, I dropped your pen.
To be polite, sorry, could you pass me that pen? Sorry, can I sit here?
For bigger situations, I'm so sorry I missed your birthday. I'm really sorry I forgot our meeting.
To show empathy, I'm sorry to hear that you're not feeling well. I'm so sorry about the bad news.
Let's try saying a few of these together. Repeat after us. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? I'm sorry for being late. I'm so sorry about your loss. Sorry, could you please speak a little slower?
Here's a fun fact. In Britain, people use sorry all the time, even when it's not their fault. If someone bumps into them, they'll still say sorry. It's almost like a national habit. Meanwhile, in the US, people often use excuse me in those small situations. So, the way you use sorry can also show a bit of cultural difference.
And here's the motivation for today. Don't be afraid of saying sorry. Some learners think it makes them look weak, but actually it's the opposite. It shows confidence, respect, and kindness. People are more likely to trust you when you can apologize naturally.
Remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect. Even if your grammar isn't right, a simple and sincere sorry makes your conversation smoother and more human. Being able to apologize clearly is a sign of strength, not weakness. Let's try a little example conversation between us.
Bruce, I'm sorry I forgot to bring your book back.
That's okay, Jane. Thanks for telling me.
I'll bring it tomorrow morning.
No problem. And hey, I should say sorry too. I forgot to remind you yesterday.
See? We're both sorry, but the important thing is we're both polite and honest.
Exactly. Apologies aren't about being perfect, they're about keeping relationships strong.
Here's another quick example. Sorry, can I sit here?
Of course. Go ahead.
Thanks, and sorry if I disturbed you.
Not at all. It's nice to have company.
See, a small word like sorry can make a conversation polite and friendly.
Now, here's your challenge. Think of 3 situations, one with a friend, one with a colleague, and one with a stranger.
How would you say sorry in each case? Say them out loud right now. For example, sorry, I forgot to call you. To a friend, I'm sorry, I'll finish the report by this afternoon. To a colleague, sorry, could you tell me where the bus stop is? To a stranger.
That's it for today's episode of 5 Minute English Talk. If you're learning from this show, I really encourage you to check out our previous episodes. We've covered so many interesting day-to-day conversation topics, from ordering food at a restaurant, to talking about weekend plans, to asking someone where they're from, all designed to help you speak English in a clear, natural way.
So go back, listen, and keep building your confidence one short lesson at a time.
We'll be back tomorrow with another practical English topic you can start using right away.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking.